Sugamano, guys, from a Kerala kitchen here in Tampa. This video is gonna be a bit of like a behind the scenes. We're gonna have the whole kitchen experience here in Tampa, showing you how the folks here are running the place. The majority of them, if not all of them, are from Kerala. Hello, hello, Sugamano.
Sugam. That's what I was thinking like 2 weeks back. I was thinking about, I was watching a video and I was thinking like, when are you gonna come to a restaurant? Oh, and I was like, oh, sure, but he's coming on. And the second day was.
Check it out, guys. This is the Malayalam kitchen over here, guys. Beautiful staff over here, man. Some amazing chefs making delicious food, delicious curries. A lot of Kerala inspired food over here. Kerala parathas, some fish curries, Malabar curries. Man, today it is gonna go down, guys. Gonna show you everything that's going on in this kitchen. We're gonna cook some delicious food with the legend over here, David from David's Bin here. He's getting his B-roll set up. Man, we're gonna have a good time, guys. It's gonna be a great video. Check out all the food prepared over here. We have, oh, what are we gonna make over here, brother?
We're gonna make a Alapi shrimp curry.
Alapi shrimp curry.
Yes.
Oh man.
Alapi shrimp curry. Yeah. Yes. Alapi. Alapuza.
Whoa,
yes.
Check out this huge symbol here. Oh man. All the spices here. Number one rule when cooking, get the oil off first.
Some fenugreek.
Chili is gonna make things hot.
Right in the bowl. And some garlic, some ginger, some fresh curry leaves, and some red onion.
You mean a houseboat too?
Yeah. I did a houseboat 2 nights.
Oh really?
1 night, 2 days.
I want to bring one houseboat here in Tampa.
From there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And he wants to put it on the river and make a restaurant there.
Dude, that would be amazing.
That will be amazing, bro. That'll probably be the first time I ever see that in
Kerala
America.
seafood in Tampa. Who
On the boat, on the river.
It's amazing. Some salt, some turmeric, chili, a little bit of coriander. You mix it up. Slash of
Coconut milk.
I mean, it's not Kerala without the coconut, right? Yeah. Kerala has always been coconut. To be honest, that's my favorite part of Kerala. My favorite part is coconuts. Really? Drink coconut in the morning.
Fresh coconut all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Tender coconut, tender coconut.
And coconut chutney.
Oh,
man.
Coconut chutney with the biryani. Only in Kerala they give you the coconut chutney with the biryani.
Really?
Yeah, that's the only place I ever got coconut chutney served with biryani.
In Calicut, right?
Yeah, in Calicut. In Paragon, Ramouf, they always give you the coconut chutney. The only place in India that I got coconut chutney with a biryani.
It smells so good.
Delicious, man. Check it out, it's starting to bubble now. Chef is trying some fresh tomatoes.
Some of this goes in.
Prawns in there, some big juicy prawns. Woo! What's up, brother? What part of Kerala are you from, bro?
I'm from Kerala and Calicut.
Calicut. Oh my God! What is your favorite biryani place in Calicut?
Paradise.
Paradise.
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
Now there is another one, Rahmat.
Oh my God, Ramouf biryani, bro.
Biryani, yeah.
A beef biryani from Ramouf. Heaven in your mouth, brother. 100%, man. Something that sets Kerala seafood apart from other places is the freshness of the fish. Now, as you guys know, you might have seen my video when I went out 40 kilometers into the ocean to fish out some fish, and you literally catch the fish. They're brought over to the beach where they're auctioned and directly transported to restaurants and hotels where they're sold. So you get fresh seafood. It's starting to boil up now.
Yeah. Because you cook shrimp too much, you know, it's gonna be rubbery, you know. You don't want that. You know?
Right.
It has to be juicy.
Like about 5 to 7 minute cook time, and then you know it's ready. Woo! And there we go, the Alipay shrimp curry over here. Look at, oh my God, I just got a smell of it. I just got a little whiff of it. What is it?
Chicken vartarecho.
Chicken vartarecho. Okay.
do it. Put some mustard seed there. Woo!
Always mustard seed.
Garlic.
Oh wow, that aroma.
Smells delicious right away.
Crazy.
Turmeric, chili powder, some coriander, curry powder. Then put some yellow sauce, red sauce, chicken, and some roasted coconut.
Roasted coconut.
Yeah.
One of the special ingredients.
Wow.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk, man. The touch of Kerala. South Indian food.
Some crushed pepper.
Line for like 3-4 years. I smell the coconut.
Yeah.
The smell is ridiculous.
So the vartarichada, it means the roasted coconut sauce, you know. So like it's a homemade sauce. We made it from roasted coconut. So we use that for this chicken curry especially. So that's why you call it chicken vartarichada. Varta means it's like roast, coconut roast. So that's the one.
Alright, that's the secret ingredient in that curry, the roasted coconut.
Every dish in Kerala has coconut in some way.
Yes.
Something coconut.
Without coconut, no curry.
Yeah, man. No, it's the best.
Kerala is like, you know, because
The
we
land
get
of
a
coconuts.
Land of coconut.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Land of coconuts, land of good times, right? Good times.
Yep. God's own country, bro.
Next up, we're doing some paneer tikka. Love it. Veg.
Pepper, onions, paneers, all in layers, capture the taste a little bit better.
I mean, this is huge. So what is it? Red pepper, green pepper, onions, and paneer. Like huge blocks of paneer. So if you guys don't know paneer, that is cottage cheese. Delicious. Oh, so yummy.
And it's going into the best oven in the world. A tandoor oven. Woo!
Saag mushroom.
Side mushrooms.
Yeah.
Woo!
With the spinach sauce.
Spinach sauce?
Yeah.
Alright, I like it. And we're frying up some samosas here. No, pakoras? What is
Yeah, that's the lollipop.
Oh, the lollipop, chicken lollipop. Oh my god, chicken lollipop. Add some palak right there, that is spinach.
Yeah.
Some fresh spinach paste.
Yes.
Woo, look at that.
Color and texture.
That's it, huh?
Oh, the real stuff. Yeah, the real stuff.
Legend, my brother. You guys have to come over here, guys. I know naan is delicious, but you need to get some Kerala parotas.
So, what are we doing?
Yeah, tandoor steam.
anything you put in the tandoor is just perfect, man. Perfect. The smoky flavor that it gives it. Oh, unrivaled.
All the spices is there, masalas.
Check it out, guys. This is the biryani right here, mixed with the garam masala, some onions,
Some cilantro and some mint, you know.
all right, marinating the meat there. Now cooking it a little bit there before blending it in with the rice.
Wow. Some mint and cilantro. A little butter. This one is the rose water
Some rose water.
and the saffron water.
Oh man, dude, they take over here, man. They take
Rose
over.
water and saffron water.
Saffron water, yeah.
What?
That's
I've
the
never
one.
had it with rose water.
No.
That's different.
Yeah.
Get ready for the biryani, man. It is a great biryani they make here.
That aroma. Wow.
Delicious. Added some oil there.
Yes.
Yeah, then he's gonna do a closing, right? He's gonna do that.
Yeah, he's heating up the pot over there.
We're gonna close this. We're gonna close this for dum. For like 2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes on low
Yeah,
heat.
on low heat, yeah. So the rice will catch all the flavor of the goat. You know, when you eat it, it's
Right,
very
like-
good, yeah.
And you keep it all sealed up so that
Yes.
none of the flavors, nothing escapes.
Yes,
It's all sealed up
exactly.
there,
Slow cooking.
and everything is
Stays there. It
delicious.
stays in the rice.
Woo! Look at the beauty. You smell the goat meat?
Finish with some.
Bro, I smell it right now.
Cilantro. There you go.
And I love the way.
I love how he covers up the biryani to keep everything sealed in there. Next up, we're gonna make a dosa here. Woo! In the meantime, the tandoori shrimp is out. Whoa, look at the crispiness there, the smokiness. What is this that you put over here,
I
brother?
just want to try it.
Oh.
Sometimes, you know, before doing this, you put the dosa, it sticks there.
Okay.
If it sticks, it's very hard to remove that thing.
Okay, so it's like you do that to test it out, so you
Yeah.
don't have to do the throwaway
Yes.
dosa.
Yes. So now it's coming off, it means the dosa is good.
All right, so when
That's
you
the
put the
little trick,
actual
yeah.
batter there, it's gonna
Yeah,
be good and
it's
ready to
gonna
go.
stick, yeah.
Here's the dosa batter. Dosa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego.
Fresh ghee goes in.
Fresh ghee for the dosa.
Yes.
That's how you get the cone shape.
Yes.
Cone dosa.
I'm making onion kulcha.
Onion kulcha.
Oh,
Some ajwain. And some ajwain and onion and cilantro.
Onion and cilantro.
Oh, you're gonna do
it just sticks there. Now the coach is not alone.
Beautiful, man.
It's been literally less than 30 seconds and this naan is ready to go.
This one too? No.
Put some butter and some butter to finish it off. You got a nice little golden color.
I like that what I'm doing.
Beautiful, beautiful, wow. Some chaat masala, give it that extra boost.
You have it? Butter.
Wow.
Oh
my god.
That's beautiful, guys. It's just from Corella making these masterpieces. It's artwork.
Alright, we're opening up our restaurant in Miami.
Thank you guys so much for this kitchen experience, guys. Felt like I was just in Corella, man. Thank you so much. Nani Brothers. That's the kitchen experience, guys.
Where's the tolly at? I'm joking, guys.
Check out, this is the fake Indian kitchen experience right here. This is me trying to make some Indian food at home. Oh man.
It's funny they're playing a video here.
I tried my hardest. Oh, this is an Indian restaurant in Le Havre in France. We tried a thali. Sophie was dying with the spice.